What's up mga kamix? Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Here we go again. Ituturo ko po kung paano tayo mag-set ng end screen or how to set an end screen using our Android phone. Okay? Let's go to the Chrome. Chrome po tayo and then we have to press the YouTube. Direct na yan doon sa ating YouTube. And make sure that we are in a desktop site. Yan, desktop site na po tayo. And then, press your profile pic. Ayan na. Here we go. We go to YouTube Studio. Punta po tayo sa YouTube Studio, guys. The net is coming. Okay, guys. Nasa YouTube Studio na po tayo. And then, press natin yung content or yung videos natin. Yan na, lumalabas na yung mga videos natin. We have to choose the video na gusto natin lagyan ng end screen. Ito yung choice ko. Kasi I'm sure wala pa tong end screen. This one. And then, press natin yung details. Yung lapis. Here we go, guys. Diyan na tayo. Dito na tayo sa, yan na yun. Dito po tayo sa baba ng videos. May makita tayong end screen, di ba? End screen, press natin yung lapis or the pencil or the details. And we have to choose it. Kung anong gusto natin ilagay. Import from latest videos. 1 video, 1 subscriber. 1 playlist, 1 subscriber. 2 videos. 1 video, 1 playlist. 1 video, 1 playlist, 1 subscriber. So, mag-choose tayo ng category. Ito yung nahanap ko. 1 video, 1 subscriber. Ayan na po. Gusto nyo itong palitan, you can choose most recent upload nyo or best for viewers, or choose specific videos. Yan yung choices natin. To set the end screen, scroll down tayo, guys. Yan. Makita natin na parang stick dyan. Ganunin lang natin hanggang dulo. Yun. Tsaka, yung sa. So, bali dalawa na sila. Yan na, guys. Nakaset na yung screen. Ayan na siya. Nakaset na yung end screen natin. So, yung best for viewers, allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to suit the viewers. O, yan na siya. Tapos yung subscribe. Yung mukha nyo, your profile pic nyo. Tapos, we have to save it. Ayun, nakasave na. So, nakasave na siya, guys. Kung gusto nyo i-check, you have to play your video, guys. Para makita nyo yung end screen nyo. Thank you for watching and thank you for always visiting my channel. God bless everyone.